Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to unbox the all metal professional clipper. So this product is by KEMEI, and as you can see, the outer shell of the hair clipper is made entirely from metal. So from the front of the box you can see it is a rechargeable hair clipper. So it says here 2000 milliamp. So now, without further ado, let's unbox this hair clipper. Okay, nothing unusual. This is on the side, on the back, and yeah. Okay. So this is how it looks. Alright. Okay, so inside here you can see the instruction manual. See what I have here: rechargeable attachment, changing the blade, battery operation. Just like that. It's very simple. We're going to put this instruction manual aside. Okay, now what's inside the box. First, let's see what's in this plastic. So this is basically the hair clipper. It has 4 clips. Let's see what's inside here. So ranging from number 1. Yes, this is number 1. And this is number 2. You can see here. And this is the brush. Number up. This is number 3, and finally number 4. Okay. So you will get a lubricant for this hair clipper, very tiny one. And here is the charging cord, the charging adapter. So this is used to charge directly to the hair clipper itself, and you can use while charging, or you can use without plugging in to the power adapter. So you have the flexibility to use this hair clipper. Okay, now let's see the hair clipper itself. It is quite heavy because, yeah, you can see it is entirely made from metal. Let's see here. Sorry. So you can see here, this one is very shiny and well polished. So it is quite heavy that I'm holding it right now, and you can see here KEMEI. Okay, so let's turn these things on. I hope they charge it already. Oh yeah, it is working. So you can see the green light there. Okay, so you can use this lever to adjust the blade angle. Yep. Oh, very cool. Let's try to put the clipper to see whether it works or not. Well, it fits perfectly, and yeah. Number 2. Well, quite okay. Number 3. Lastly, number 4. Oh, this one is a bit bent. I guess that's okay because it doesn't broke or anything. It doesn't break. So let's test it out. Yeah, it's working. So now I will try to trim my own hair, and we're going to do that here in this video. Stay tuned. Okay, so I have these things and ready to trim my hair. So first let's start with number 4, because I want to trim over my head, on top of my head here, using number 4. Wait. Okay, that's good. Now attach number 4. You can see here number 4. Oh, you don't see that. Maybe it won't focus. Let's focus on this one. Yeah, I'm using a front camera, so it won't focus on a macro. So yeah, let's continue attaching number 4, and let's trim our hair. Okay, number 4 done. Now let's go on with number 2. Well, it goes pretty well. This one is number 2. So while trimming my hair, this one gets detached from this hair clip, so you need to be careful when handling this, when trimming your hair or other people's hair, because number 2 is not well attached to the hair clip. It's quite loose, so be careful with that. Okay, that's number 2. Let's go with number 1. Final touch. Number 1 here. Okay, we want clean. Well, it doesn't feel really hot like I'm using Wall before. Wall, WAHL. So I used that brand before, and while using it for a very long time without turning it off, you will feel on the Wall model feel very hot. But this one, you can feel a bit warm, not that hot. So yeah, I guess the heat dissipation is, you know, spreading across the whole metal body here. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So now I'm done with trimming my hair. So I guess that's it. Hope you enjoy watching my video. Please do click the subscribe button, leave the like, and also don't forget to leave the comment down below if you have any inquiries about this machine. Just ask me and I will answer your questions. So peace.